Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. The topic we are going to discuss today it is the preparation of the alkynes, that how we can prepare the alkynes. Basically, if we have a just look on the alkynes, these are the class of hydrocarbons, and these hydrocarbons contain triple bond between two carbon atoms or more than two carbon atoms. So if we have any hydrocarbon in which the two carbon atoms contain at least a triple bond, these hydrocarbons are named as alkynes. Now the question arises that how we can prepare the alkynes. Basically, we have two methods for the preparation of the alkynes. The first one method we have dehydrohalogenation, dehydrohalogenation of vicinal dihalides. So the word vicinal is new to you. How we can recognize the vicinal dihalides? Basically, if we have two carbon atoms that have adjacent halogen atoms, they are known as vicinal dihalides. Di mean two halogen atoms are present. Vicinal mean on the two adjacent carbon atoms. And the second method that we will use for the preparation of the alkynes, it is dehalogenation of tetrahalides. This is known as dehalogenation of tetrahalides. Tetrahalides mean the alkyl halides that have four halogen atoms are known as tetrahalides. So let's discuss the first method for its preparation, which is dehalogenation of vicinal dihalides. Basically, in this method, when we have vicinal dihalides and they are treated with the simple alcoholic KOH, then what is going to be happen? The simple two hydrogen atoms along with two halogen atoms will be removed and we just make the simple member which is ethine. So let's have a look on it. This is the simple compound in which we have two carbon atoms, 1, 2. They have two halogen atoms that are adjacent to this. So these are known as vicinal dihalide. If we have just IUPAC name for this, it will be 1,2 dichloroethane. So here we have 1, 2, 1, 2 that just shows the position of the chlorine atom. Di mean there are two chlorine atoms are present in ethane. It is the parent name because there are two hydrogen atoms present. When we just add alcoholic KOH or KH in the presence of the alcohol and the temperature is kept at 100 degrees Celsius, then what will just happen? The simple method is now this hydrogen and this chlorine will be removed and this hydrogen and this chlorine will be removed. Now this bond will moved over there and we gain the main product which is the ethine along with the production of the KCl. Now this potassium will reacts with this chlorine and produces two molecules of potassium chloride, and this hydroxyl group react with the hydrogen atoms and produces the two water molecules. So this is a simple method for the production of the or for the preparation of the alkynes. By changing the chain length of the dihalides or the vicinal dihalides, we can easily prepare the required alkyne over there. So this is up to you that what type of chain or what is the main length or what is the main product we require for the production. Then we have the second method for the production of the or preparation of the alkynes, which is dehalogenation of the tetrahalides. Now tetrahalides mean if four halogen atoms are present, then the compound is known as the tetrahalide. Tetra just denotes the four. And here we have dehalogenation. D, the word it is just used to remove something. And we have dehalogenation means we are going to remove the halogen atom. So that's why this process is mainly known as dehalogenation of the tetrahalide. So we are going to remove the halogen atom. Here we have the compound which is having two carbon atoms and it has four chlorine atoms. So its name will be 1122 tetrachloroethane. Here the 1122 just denotes the position of the chlorine atoms and tetra mean there are four chlorine atoms are present and ethane means there are two carbon atoms present over there. When it just reacts with the zinc dust or simple any tetrahalide when reacts with the zinc dust, then there is the elimination of the halogen atoms from the carbon chain and we gain the product which is known as ethyne along with the production of the zinc chloride. So this is the simple method by the use of which we can easily prepare the required product from its use. If we just discuss by changing the chain length, for example, here we have four carbon atoms and the first two members or the second member just contain chlorine atoms and now these have their hydrogen atoms, three hydrogen atoms. So, and we just react it with the zinc dust, then the main product we gain it is the simple this CH3 group. After that, these chlorine atoms will be removed and in the center we have carbon atoms and this methyl group CH3. Now there is a formation of the triple bond between the two carbon atoms. So this is named as basically 2-butene. Why it is named as 2-butene? Because carbon number 1, 2, 3, and 4. The carbon number 2 and 3 contain the triple bond, so that's why it is named as 2-butene. So this is the simple method for the preparation of the alkynes by dehalogenation or by dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation means the removal of hydrogen and halogen. And if we have simple dehalogenation, so this is the removal of the halogen atoms from the carbon chain. I hope you guys understand. And if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section. And along with that, we have some occurrence of the alkynes that where did the alkynes basically present and what is its occurrence. So for its occurrence, we have the first member or the acetylenes basically they do not present in free state in nature. On the other hand, we have just the traces of acetylene that are present in the coal gas. So this is the main occurrence of the alkynes in nature and it is just present almost 0.06% in the coal gas. Otherwise, we just need to prepare it by artificially. So this is the simple all about today's lecture. If you have any queries, you may ask. And the next topic we will discuss it is the properties of the alkyne. So we will discuss about its physical properties as well as its chemical properties in detail. For that time, you guys have a good day and keep learning.